And now let's shift our focus from this hate attack to what's going on as far as politics is concerned in the state of Tamil Nadu. A social media post by Congress leader Praveen Chakravorty over debt situation in Tamil Nadu has triggered a mega face-off ahead of the key assembly polls in the state. The row escalated after DMK MP Kanimozhi said that DMK turned debt-turned state Tamil Nadu into a developed state. Congress leader Praveen Chakravorty, however, contradicted DMK's claim. Congress leader said that Tamil Nadu had the highest outstanding debt of all states. He said that in 2010, Uttar Pradesh had more than double the debt of Tamil Nadu and that now Tamil Nadu's interest burden is third highest and state's debt situation was alarming. Praveen's post, however, did not go well with a few within the Congress itself. Congress MPs from Tamil Nadu said that it was unfair to compare Tamil Nadu with Uttar Pradesh and that judging Tamil Nadu's absolute debt was like judging fitness by body weight only for vibes. DMK, however, dismissed Praveen's post, saying that a few people with private agendas were trying to create unwanted distractions. On the other hand, BJP hit out at the DMK, saying that its lies had been exposed by its ally and that public spatting of UPA era had made a comeback.
அவருடைய ஆருடங்களுக்கெல்லாம் நான் இல்லைனா ஆசைகளுக்கெல்லாம் நான் பதில் சொல்ல முடியாது. அவர் கனவு காணட்டும், தப்பு இல்லை, கனவு கண்டு கொண்டே இருக்கட்டும். நிச்சயமாக பிஜேபிக்கு தமிழ்நாட்டில் இடம் இல்லைங்கிறத மாத்திரம் அவர் புரிந்து கொள்ள வேண்டும்.
It's not new that, it is not a new secret that it has come out. We are saying this for more than 1.5 to 2 years that Tamil Nadu is spending more, borrowing more, and it is not spending the same in the infrastructure development, but it is spending on the party to retain power. That is what we have been saying. So this Congress knows maybe for the last 2 years, but during this election time, they want to go with Vijay. They want to test the waters. That is why they are teasing. They are trying to create a rift between DMK and Congress, and that is what is going to happen. This is totally politics, and both Congress and DMK are playing with the Tamil Nadu's people's growth. This is what is happening. As if Congress doesn't know. All these are games.
And all eyes are on the Supreme Court today. Bench led by Chief Justice of India Surya Kant will be hearing CBI's plea against the High Court order granting bail to Unnao rape convict Kuldeep Sengar, offering a glimmer of hope to the survivor and her supporters amid fears for their safety. On Sunday, the rape survivor and her mother staged protest at Delhi's Jantar Mantar seeking justice. She asserted faith in the Supreme Court and also alleged that Sengar bribed High Court judge to get the bail. India today had exclusively accessed CBI Plea in Apex Court, which stated that High Court order sends a troubling message in cases of sexual violence against children. The probing agency also warned that suspending the sentence of a powerful convict in such circumstances undermines the public confidence in the criminal justice system.
कुलदीप सेंगर को अपील रोकते हुए, निलंबित करते हुए, सजा रोकते हुए उनको छोड़ दिया गया। कुलदीप सिंह सेंगर ने सेंगर के परिवार मिलने जाता है, कुलदीप सिंह सेंगर से मिलता है, लेकिन उसमें कुलदीप सिंह सेंगर लोग मिलके, भाई परिवार भी जेल में नहीं है और लेकिन बाहर से सेटिंग बनाई गई। मुझे 1 करोड़ रुपए की ब्रजभूषण सैन जी को सुपारी उनसे कहकर सुपारी दिलाई गई ताकि रेप विक्टिम को खत्म करो और हम बाहर आए। और जज साहब बिक चुके, सीबीआई का आयोग बिक चुका है। आदित्यनाथ जी महाराज से यही मेरी गुहार है कि मैं ऐसा कर दीजिए, ऐसे लोग को संरक्षण देना बंद कर दे, उनको पार्टी से निकाल दे।
कुलदीप सेंगर एक विधायक 10-15 विधायक भेजे नहीं, हम माँ बेटी को मारने के लिए आया था, मारी नहीं, हमका माँ बेटी का पूरे परिवार का मार रहे घसीट। कुलदीप सेंगर ने भेज रखा था यहाँ जंतर मंतर में, हमको इनको भरोसा नहीं अमित शाह के गईवीन जाए कि हमारे बच्चों को सिक्योरिटी देने, मेरे परिवार को खत्म कर दिया जाएगा, मेरे बच्ची को सेफ रखा जाए, मेरे सारे बच्चों को।
And my colleague Nalini Sharma is now joining us on this story. Nalini, all eyes are on the Supreme Court today. Will the Supreme Court be able to restore the public faith in the judiciary and through its judgment state that the justice for India's betis is non-negotiable?
Well, we're reporting from right outside the Supreme Court right now, and you can see the amount of security that is deployed here ahead of the high-profile hearing in the Unnao case in which Kuldeep Sengar's sentence has been suspended. We are given to understand that the main reason for the security to be here is because they are expecting for a protest by the survivor's family as well as the survivor herself, as well as some social activists who have been voicing their concerns against the order of the Delhi High Court, which is essentially why this large amount of security is outside the Supreme Court. We'll go inside in just a short while, but it's around 11 a.m. that we are expecting for the hearing to begin before a three-judge bench led by the Chief Justice of India, Justice Surya Kant. And it's important to note here that just days after the Delhi High Court order, the CBI on an urgent basis filed this SLP before the Supreme Court. They asked for the order to be overturned, and the Supreme Court, despite the fact that it's in winter vacations right now, has agreed to constitute a special vacation bench and hear this matter on an urgent basis. So it's going to be interesting to watch out for whether or not the Supreme Court will interfere in the Delhi High Court order and reverse the order to a certain extent, or at least stay the order for now. Even though Kuldeep Sengar continues to be in jail, he's not been released on bail yet because he's in jail serving 10 years for the custodial death of the victim's father in this case. But at the same time, it's very important, like the CBI stated in its SLP, to restore faith in the criminal justice system, that people who are in public offices, people who are public authorities should be made accountable for their acts, especially in sensitive cases like that of POCSO. So it remains to be seen to what extent the Supreme Court will interfere today. The matter, like I told you, is going to be taken up by a three-judge bench comprising of CJS Surya Kant, Justice J.K. Maheshwari, as well as Justice A.G. Masi. It remains to be seen how early we can expect for an order from the Supreme Court. Once the hearing is over, we are expecting fireworks arguments from the CBI seeking a stay on the Delhi High Court order, also asking for the sentence to be put back in place against Kuldeep Sengar, the life sentence that was granted to him in the case by the trial court, and most importantly for this interpretation of public servant that has been done by the Delhi High Court, for that to be looked into by the highest court in the country. So lot expected before the Supreme Court today. We're also shortly expecting for the victim's family to reach the Supreme Court ahead of the hearing, and all remains to be seen now what the three-judge bench led by CJS Surya Kant does.
All right, Nalini, thank you for those details. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates on the story that we're tracking. All eyes are on the Supreme Court and everyone is expecting justice for our beti.